Here's a video introducing concepts that will be learned in Module 6. Module 6 deals with the basics of hypothesis testing, including both proportions and means. In Module 6, you will learn how to conduct a hypothesis test dealing with both proportions and means using the TI graphing calculator. So upon the completion of this module, you will be able to, you see a list of 4 learning objectives. And to achieve these objectives, here's a list: textbook readings, videos, lecture notes, and then the homework on MyStatLab. If you scroll down, you will find your resource book. So there are 3 sections in Chapter 8 dealing with hypothesis testing. The first one is Basics of Hypothesis Testing, Section 1. You have textbook reading assignments, lecture notes, and lecture videos. Then in Chapter 8, you have Section 2, dealing with hypothesis testing of proportions. You have your textbook reading assignments, you have your lecture notes and your videos. And then Section 3, dealing with hypothesis testing about a mean. And you have, once again, your textbook reading assignments, lecture notes, and videos. So you should access and read through or watch all the resources provided in this book. Once you have done that, you can go into MyStatLab and work through 8.1, 8.2, and 8.3. 8.3 is the last section in the course before the final exam. After you get at least a 70% on all of these sections here, 8.1, 8.2, and 8.3, you can access the final exam review, which is required to take the final. I recommend you get 100% on this before you access the final, but you need at least a 70%. So once you have done these 3 homework assignments, you can go back into Moodle and take Module 6 quiz. You'll have 10 questions, you'll have 2 attempts, and you'll have 15 minutes for each attempt. And then once you take this Module 6 quiz, you're ready to move on to Module 7, which contains information about the final exam and a final exam review. So good luck.